sir.
As I check your exam, my dear pupils, I think all of you got the passing scores. Okay, so congratulations, my dear pupils. So give yourself a deserving clap. Okay, but hey, you may stop now, okay? But I have something to announce. That's why I am here. I know your exam is was done, and you have a very good scores, and I think you did your best while answering your exam. So right now I have an announcement, and it will be your final project to our subject. Since we're done in our quarter, everyone, we are in our fourth quarter, right?
Yes, teacher.
You will do your portfolio, which is my two subjects, math and English. Okay, you have my two subjects in our class. Did you already know the portfolio?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so sa mga portfolio, ilalagay ninyo ang mga scores nyo sa quiz, mga scores nyo sa activities, my reflections din po ninyo natutunan ninyo sa buong quarter sa my subjects ko, alright? And the format, I will just send it to our group chat, alright? I know all of you had a social media. I know, nakikita ko yung mga TikTok nyo, alam nyo na. That's your final project. Deadline ready?
Walang extension, ma'am.
Okay, I will not give any extension. Okay, if my date is passed, it will be minus understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so that would be all for now, my announcement. And I hope, naka-remember lang po sa announcement ha, ayaw ko tanong sa GC. Na ano yung project, ma'am? Ano yung project, ano yung gagawin, alright? Saka announcement lang. Okay, so since you are done taking your exam, you can go now, you can go home. That's na uwi, wala nang makikitang post na nag-normal kayo, alright? So goodbye, my dear pupils.
Goodbye.
pa-remind kay teacher yung portfolio ha, kasi hindi pa tapos sa akin.
Anong hindi? Ngayon kaya yung deadline, hindi nyo kasi tinapos.
Bida-bida. pa, ma'am.
Okay. That's nice to hear, di ba? Siyempre, dapat family time tayo pag-weekend. Okay, anyway, what's our agenda today? I forgot. Ma'am, yung what is that? Ma'am, deadline ng portfolio. Okay. I almost forgot. Okay, thank you, Vanessa, for reminding our portfolio today. But, my dear students, get to pass your portfolio. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I think your portfolio was very nice, no? Thank you. Put your effort on your portfolio, so that's very nice. I will check your individual portfolio, no? Kapag nakauwi na si teacher. And for having this portfolio, I have announcement. Once na nakapass kayo ng portfolio, I will give you a certificate. Natay, di ba kayo masaya? Masaya! Okay, I will give you certificate sa ating bibigay ko siya sa ating student-teacher conference. Crystal, may sinasabi ka ba? Okay, so let me continue. Alright? So, as I've said earlier, magkakaroon tayo ng student-teacher conference. Do you have any idea, my dear people, sa student-teacher conference?
No, ma'am.
Okay, ang student-teacher conference, my dear pupils, we will have a conference between you and me only, okay? Within our class, where I will announce your progress, your improvement as my student. So, dapat wala ka absent, alright? Para maka-receive mo ng mga certificates. Our student-teacher conference will be on Thursday. So, wala na absent sa Thursday para maka-attend sa ating student-teacher conference and also para ma-receive ninyo ang inyong mga certificates through on your portfolio, kung ano ginawa yung portfolio. Alright? Understood, my dear pupils?
Yes, teacher.
That's all for today, my dear pupils. And if you have any questions, and I hope wala na since understandable ang pag-announce ko. But if you have any questions, just chat me on our GC and wait for your another teacher. Alright? So goodbye, my dear pupils.
Goodbye, teacher Michi.
Okay, good morning, my dear pupils.
Good morning, teacher Michi.
Okay, you may pick up your classes again and arrange your chairs properly. And you may sit down after picking up the classes. Wow, you all look ready okay? I think pinaghandaan niyo talaga yung ating student-teacher conference. Okay, that's nice. So, hindi natin mapatagalin, no? We will start na since makiusap lang ako sa ating next stop, no? Pero yung next stop na ituloy-tuloy ko lang yung stop ko sa inyo para maka-diretso tayo sa ating student-teacher conference and of course, magbibigay ng mga certificates ninyo as I promised. Alright, so, here's your portfolio na chinikan ko with your grade, of course, and as I check, everyone, some are the best, some put their effort, but some are not really effort, but I think, ayun yung effort nila, so hindi natin na-invalidate. Alright, so, but that's fine, we are all different. Lahat pa rin kayo makakatanggap na certificates. Okay, masaya na kayo? Okay, so before maka-bigyan ng certificates, I will go get up to your portfolio. You may get back the rest to your classmates.
Secretary ka na rin? Oo, parang wala na ako tayo sa sana. Asa rin mga next one?
best portfolio in English. Rizal Magula! Our most creative and portfolio in English of your classmate, Evangelica Bicona. Me is portfolio, Crystal. Our second to last, but not the least, best recorded score in your portfolio is Rustican. But not the least, your classmate's most unique portfolio was Vanessa Cabuco. Okay, so that would be all, my dear pupils, sa ating awarding sa inyong mga portfolio, no? And I hope you appreciate what I did sa inyo para lang ma-pay ninyo yung mga efforts, no, na ginawa ninyo. Okay, so I want you everyone to give yourself a deserving clap. Okay, since you are done for your giving your certificates, alright, your awarding sa inyong portfolio, we will now proceed na sa most important part, which is the student-teacher conference yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. This is the important thing para malaman ninyo, my dear pupils, kung saan yung weakness ninyo, kung saan kayo kung saan yung progress ninyo, yung improvement ninyo as my students sa subject ko, which is Math and English. Okay. So since I give your final project, which is your portfolio, I am expecting more and higher because this is the final. Alright? So once the final, dapat nandun na yung effort. Alright? So meaning you will give your best. But as I observed, not everyone really gave their best. Alright? So or maybe that's their best, I will not invalidate that, but it's still accepted and graded. Okay, so since you have different na mga character, maybe that's your best, so hindi ko invalidate. But as an individual, syempre may different yung mga grade ninyo na binigay ko. Okay, so dapat you will accept it na walang sama ng loob. Alright? So, yung mga tatawagin ko individually, susunod sa akin sa office, to have a privacy talk. Alright? Huwag lang kayong makabahan, no? But I will give you just a private talk. Ay may pag-uusapan tayo for your portfolio na ginawa nyo. Okay, can I have your classmate Bupag, Kabukos, and Cordero? Alright? So, we will talk after our class. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so, but overall, everyone, I really appreciated your work, your effort in your portfolio. So, congrats, everyone. Tatapusin yung oras ko sa inyo, no? I will end this class right now, and just wait for your next subject teacher, or gusto nyo mag-picture from your na-receive yung mga awards, you can take a picture. Just stay in your classroom, and wala kang sasakitan, alright? So, just wait for your next subject teacher. Yung mga tinawag ko kanina na mga apelyido is follow me in my office. So, goodbye, everyone!
Goodbye! Thank you, Teacher Minchin.
Okay, Becca, do you have any idea why I told you privately?
Actually, no, teacher.
Okay, it is regarding your portfolio. Okay, for your portfolio, as I checked it is really good. You know, your scores and everything, you are really into academics, to my subject, math and English, even sa recitation. You are too good, your scores and our activity is good in our exam, but napapansin ko sa yung portfolio, even nandun yung content, but the creativity is not there. Alright? So, ayun yung napansin ko. So, since percentage namin sa rubrics, mataas yung percentage niyo yung pagiging creativity. So, hindi siya mababawi kung good yung mga scores mo, activity mo, yung reflections, yung buong content sa portfolio if yung portfolio mo is not created. The advice would be, YouTube, no? May mga creative doon kung paano maging creative, yung portfolio, and do it slowly. Okay? Don't pressure yourself, but do it slowly. How will you become creative? Like putting some colors, some color paper, okay? Some design, para maging creative yung portfolio mo. Alright? But overall, with your academics, wala akong masasabi. You are too good, and I think hindi naman makakahila sa grade mo. But that's my advice to you para pag next na mag-portfolio si Teacher Windshield, para maka-prepare mo how will you be creative. Okay, teacher. Okay, so that would be all, but can you please call your classmate Cabrera? Okay, teacher, thank you.
Okay, Cabrera, do you have an idea when I told you privately?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it is actually from your portfolio, okay? It is not really a serious matter, but it will help you to improve, lalo na kung gagawa mo kayo ng portfolio. Alright, pinapansin ko, your portfolio is really amazing. You are innovative, you are sourceful, no? Even your content, napakaganda, no? The flow, the format sa portfolio mo is really amazing and wonderful. But my problem, not really a problem, but ang napansin ko is your scores in my subject math. No, hindi siya nakakalahati. Even sa exam, no, mababa yung mga scores mo. But I actually glad because nilagay mo pa rin yung mga mababa mong scores. But ayun yung advice ko. Try to watch some math problems in YouTube para matuto ka kung ano yung mga problem mo sa how to solve this in math, no? And then para mas ma-help mo, mas maka-answer ka sa mga math problem. Of course, on your reflection part, write it based sa experience mo, no?
The importance of the student-teacher conference is that it helps the teacher understand each student better so that they can help them learn in the best way possible. This meeting also builds the trust and respect between the student and teacher, making it easier for the student to open up about their goals or any problem they are having. So, it gives an opportunity to the teachers to teach their students individually, set goals, give feedback, and also work together. So, for the student, it also helps them to do well in school, identify their strengths and weaknesses, and also their learning targets that needed to be improved. It also helps them to feel good about themselves because of their achievements and also their improvements. And they will learn an important skill for life. That's all. Thank you.